This is a laptop and today we'll be replacing its hard disk with a SSD. SSD stands for solid state drive. Now before performing that, we'll record the booting speed of this laptop with the hard disk fitted in it. Now let's check the boot speed with hard disk. This is the power button. Now I'll press it 1, 2, 3. Now it is starting, that is booting. This is the boot screen. Windows is booting now. It is still booting. Now this is the main screen, this is the lock screen. Now we are going to replace the hard disk with SSD.